Welcome to SiteDesignZ. I want to first thank you for stopping by SiteDesignZ. I know you had a lot of choices and different places you can go to figure out who's going to be the best choice for your web design. I'm glad you chose to click on SiteDesignZ, and hopefully through this video I'll be able to help explain how I'm a little bit different than most of the other web design and SEO companies out there. First, my name is Tom Jobsio. I am a web designer and SEO strategist. I've been doing web design for over 20 years now. I actually have a bachelor's degree in web design from back in '99. I've done a lot of corporate work, and then I started moving into doing some small business work, and I noticed I really had a niche for being able to help small businesses excel online, either through the web presence and then through their SEO. Now, nowadays, it's getting very confusing for a lot of small businesses. So I really want to kind of help dispel some of the myths of what it is that you need, why you might be here, and how I may be able to help you. There's a couple of reasons why you're probably here. Maybe you need a redesign on your current website, or you're actually looking for a brand new website that you're just starting off. Now, web development is actually a pretty easy process. There's a lot of build-it-yourself systems out there, so if you don't have the time or the resources to be able to do it yourself and you need to hire somebody to do it for you, and you are a small business, you're probably looking for something a little bit more cost-effective to be able to get done, but you just want it to reflect your brand, and maybe you've got some kind of core functionality that you want done. Maybe you've heard about WordPress, and you understand that WordPress is a very good system to use for doing web design. And essentially, WordPress is a core for your site. So your web development area or your hosting environment is actually just the area where your website is actually located. Then you have the core of your system, and with SiteDesignZ, I primarily use WordPress. And what this does is gives you all just the base functionality, the navigational structures, the ability to create pages, the ability to edit the back end, and things like that. It's the most common, widely used content management system out there right now. There are probably millions of people that can actually work on this site, so it's not really a difficult process or a difficult type of website to build. Now, in doing that, the next piece you've got besides the core functionality is the actual look and the design of it. And that's where most people like to come to a personal web developer to have them design the site so that it reflects their brand and gets it done for them. They also like the ability of having somebody that can help them or be there for them to talk to them and answer questions if things aren't going the right way and things like that, or however you might want to have it done. Now, with doing the look and the design of the website, what you're talking about is a theme. Now, themes are actually a look that just kind of fits over the core of your WordPress site. And what you can do is you can remove those themes and put new themes on, depending on the customization that you do to the look of the theme itself. Now, this really helps cut down costs a lot. We're not just changing out your logo, but we change the brand, the image, everything, kind of make it feel like your company or like your business. And we can, because WordPress already takes care of all of the back-end functionality stuff, and then you've got the theme itself that just sits on it. Really, it's just modifications to the theme that you're actually paying for. And then, set up for stuff and making sure that things running correctly, and then training you as well. Now, doing the website itself is only a portion or a part of what it is that you need to have done. The most important or critical aspect of this is going to be your SEO, or your search engine optimization. Now, you might be in a business where you really don't need to have to worry about doing SEO work. I'm not sure. But 90%, 95% of the businesses that come through SiteDesignZ do need some kind of search engine optimization done. Now, what this is the ability for people to be able to find you locally for the search keyword terms that they're using in Google, Yahoo, Bing, things like that. And then you come up. Where I specialize is working on getting you found in the local packs. Now, the local packs are the pieces that have the 3 packs, 5 packs, 7 packs come up when you search for specific topics, like doctor, or you search for a lawyer, or you're searching, a specific type of lawyer, or plumber, electricians, things like that. This is almost 90% of where your traffic is going to come from. Now, once you actually get the traffic and these businesses come from there, the next thing they're going to want to do is hit your website and get converted. So those are the two primary areas that I really focus on. Number one, getting the traffic to you that's already been targeted for your highest trafficked keywords. Now, these are your money keywords. If you're a plumber, you want plumber your city. You want to own that, whatever it is. If it's in West Palm Beach, you want plumber West Palm Beach, and you want to come up number one. Plumber Miami, come up number one. That's a very difficult process to do. But once that happens, and you have that traffic coming there, the next thing that's going to happen is your page conversion. It's what is that call to action on the actual website that when people land on it, they understand, bam, what it is you do, what your differentiator is between all the other businesses that are out there, and then what is the call to action. Tell them what it is that you want them to do on the website. This is where my core focus is with your business online. Now, if you don't fit into this, then there's plenty of other businesses out there that deal with more national scope type websites or huge e-commerce systems and things like that. I'm very focused on small businesses and specifically the local small businesses and helping them not only get ranked and drive traffic, but improve their actual business. There's a lot of other different technologies out there you can use. You can use the email blast, you can use pay-per-clicks and banner ads, and there's a lot of different things you can do out there. But if you do not have a website that converts and you don't have your SEO set up organically, where you're not paying for it, organically, that SEO is driving people to your website, and that system's not set up first, you're just wasting money. You should not be doing other avenues of marketing at this point if you do not have those first two things set up. I can do the other things for you if you need, and we can move through those different pieces and expand and grow as you go. But that core system has got to be set up correctly. And when it is, then you're dominating online. So take a look around, look at some of the sites we've built, may read through some of the things that you get with the website if you like. But probably the best way to do this is to go ahead and just click the chat. You can call me if you like. Calling's a little difficult, I warn you. I get a lot of calls all through the day. I'm in meetings, I have things that I'm doing, working on actual client projects, but I do get back to you. So if you do call and you want to leave a message, I can get right back with you. Just let me know a good time to get in touch with you. If you want to try to chat with me, you could try to chat with me, and if I'm available, I'll call you right now. Or perhaps you just like to fill out a form, just let me know about what it is that you're looking to do, and I'll go ahead and get back with you that way too. Either way, any way you choose, get in touch with me because I can do a lot for your business and I can help you grow online, increase your revenue, and explode your business like you've never seen. Give me a shout.